Hi friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate whether a DC motor can still survive or it can work in water or not. So for this we would be required a tumbler, a transparent tumbler where we wanted to place the water, right? Then we would require a DC motor fan and as well as a DC motor. So DC motor is a normal DC motor which we will be trying to put it into the water. This is the battery and a water, right? So we will be putting a water into this tumbler. So we'll be putting the water into the inside of the tumbler. Then we will dip the DC motor inside into this water tumbler and see whether DC motor still really works. So we all know DC motor can work when we are connecting to the battery, right? But we do not know whether this DC motor, if this is a plain DC motor, whether still works or not inside the water, right? Let's try it. So we have connected the DC motor to a switch and as well to the battery, right? And we have connected a fan blade as well, and see, we'll switch on this motor and we will see whether when we are trying to dip this DC motor inside water still it works or not. Let us try it. So it is a nice experiment. We will see whether we'll try to find out whether DC motor will really works inside the water. So now we will try to dip. We'll see whether it really works or not. See, if you can see, right, there is a lot of pressure is there and water will fly because of pressure in the motor blades. Now when the motor goes inside, right, it is still working, but the pressure of the motor spinning blades becomes very less because it has to rub with the water, right? Hence there is a speed is less, but still if we can see, right, when the motor which is inside the water still it is working. Now we will try to dip inside the bigger tumbler. We will try to dip completely the DC motor along with the blades. Let's see how it is going to demonstrate now. See, if we can see, right, we completely dipped the DC motor inside, but it is seeing it is still working. DC motor which is still working, but the speed of running the blade is slow a bit when compared to when it runs outside. But if you can see, right, it is DC motor still it is working fine, right? It is working fine in a full spin, and when we are trying to put it inside the water, its speed will reduce, but the DC motor which is still continue to run. With this experiment we can conclude the DC motor really works inside the water as well, right? It runs inside the water as well, but only thing is the speed will decrease because of surface of water comes very slow. Otherwise DC motor will function inside the water as well. I am hoping you guys really enjoyed